Hey people, this is Hans the Ramen Rater, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something brand new by Prima Taste, and if you don't know who Prima Taste is, they're the company that makes the #1 instant noodle of all time, 3 years running, Prima Taste Whole Grain Laksa La Mian, and Singapore Laksa. It's been #1 on my top 10 list for 3 years. And their non-whole grain one, and their non-whole grain one's been around for a while on the top 10s. So, yeah. And now they've got black pepper crab. Here it is. This is like one of the first ones ever made. I'm pretty stoked on that. So, yeah, let's cut this puppet open and see what's inside. It's got a different kind of way to cook it, which I will impart to you shortly. First off, we need 6 minutes for the noodles. There we go. Why don't we put the noodles in there before we start the timer? Their La Mian noodle. Down a little bit and go. And then we have, oh my, look at that. Pre-release sample. Black pepper crab flavored sauce. Ooh. I'm special. Okay. This is pretty cool. So it says, here, let me turn this down a little bit. I think this might be a little loud. So what you're supposed to do, let me get this fork and, there we go. So you cook the noodles for 6 minutes. And you cook, both to boil. These 2 pots. Okay. So you got a pot cooking noodles on this side. You got a pot that's got boiling water, and you drop these into it on the other. So there we go. We got our noodles going, we got that heating up and doing whatever it's doing in there. Boiling bag stuff is kind of a trippy thing, I think. But, yeah. And what happens is after 6 minutes, we take the sachets out. We take 4 spoons of water out of there. Mix it with the stuff in the sachets. And then mix the noodles with that. That's the whole grand scheme of things. So, we'll have to drain the noodles, so I will get a drainer, and I'm gonna need something to mix the noodles in. I could just use the pot, but I do need a spoon, which I do not believe I have handy, and so I will have to procure one out of the drawer that contains said spoons. There we go. Alright, and then I'll need something to put that liquid in. This will work just dandy. I'll use this. So yeah. So, what's going on? Well, I just bumped my elbow. That wasn't comfortable. And our dishwasher died, so the one enjoyable thing about living in an apartment complex is the fact that you can just call up maintenance when anything goes wrong, and they usually come and fix it. This place, they're pretty good. So, been at places before that, oh god, here's a story. So we had a silverware drawer, right? A kitchen drawer. And it was all jacked up. It would like go boom, boom, boom. And, So the maintenance guy comes out, fixes it. Not fixed. Call him a week or so later. It's like, we don't have time to just be sitting around waiting for the guy to come when he feels like it and stuff. And we got stuff going on, things we're doing. So, guy comes back and says he fixes it again. It's just like, dude, it's still wobbly. He gets all irritated with me about it. I'm like, okay, whatever. Comes back the next week, says, oh, well, you know, if you keep calling us about this, you're gonna, you know, we're gonna have to charge you to fix it. It's like, what? Granted, this is not the place we currently live. Thank God. This place is, they're nice here. We like them. But, yeah, they, finally what he did is he, like, took the whole drawer, which was, like, this wide, and then he cut the front off of it, and then he got, like, other wood and made a drawer, but the drawer, instead of being this wide, which it should be, was this wide. So it's like you open this wide drawer, and it's like this. I'm like, I'm going to tell you right now, my wife is going to come home from work, and I'm going to say, honey, look, they fixed it. And she's going to look at that, and she'll be like, oh, hell no. So, it was pretty funny. I don't even know if they ever fixed it, honestly. I don't think they actually fixed that drawer. They, like, drove screws into it that stuck out the sides, and, oh, man. Yeah, that guy was such a jerk. God. Anyways, happily, that is over and done with. Yeah, it's like, okay, we're cooking. We got 20 seconds left. So I'm gonna just steal those 4 spoons of liquid right now. There's 1, 2, 3. Whoops, I didn't want to noodle with that. 4. Okay, so that's done. Noodles can be drained, which I will do with currently. There we go. Noodles are drained. Here's our little bit of water. We're gonna turn that off, turn this off. Now here's the hard part. You've got these 2 pouches of sauce, and they're hot. I'm guessing. Let's dump you out. I'm gonna put this here. There's a method to my madness. You better believe it. And we'll dump the last bits of the drainage. Now, we got this pot. Spout on the side. So here's, yeah, that's hot. I'm gonna cut this. See, they mentioned doing it all up in a bowl and doing it in a bowl instead of the pot. But to me, I want to use the pot and then pour it into what I'm gonna use with. Gotcha? Got me? Dig it? So let's see here. And what is it? Good. Oh, that's hot. Man. I think it's really cool that it says like pre-release special sample. And the one noodle that made it in. Whoa, come on. There we go. Can you see anything that I'm doing? Vaguely. Okay, so now we're gonna mix up the sauce. I'm gonna drop in the noodle. And then, whoa! Okay, yeah, you can look down like that. And we're gonna stir this all up. Well, at the outset, this smells pretty good. Now, I've never actually had real black pepper crab. I've had their chili, I've had Prima Taste chili crab, and I've had chili crab, at least in Malaysia. I have not had it in Singapore. Hopefully someday I'll get to partake. But for now, the only other experiences with black pepper crab I've had are with other instant noodles. Oh no, wait, I had black pepper crab at a, who did I hang out with? We went and did a Chinese New Year with the Seattle Singaporeans meetup group, a group of people who used to live in Singapore who now live in the Seattle area. And we had, what was it called? A lot of good food. In fact, I think Prima Taste sponsored that. Yeah. But it was cool. Alright. I like black pepper. So here we go. I'm going to give this stuff a try. Give it a nice big bite. See how it looks. Yeah, that's freaking good. It's got a nice... It's not like all you can taste is black pepper. There's a little bit of like crabby sweetness. Wow. That's freaking good. There's all sorts of different things going on in here. Wow. Noodles are good. Flavoring is good. Now, what do we add to it? Well, let me tell you. First off, mung bean sprouts I'm going to put directly in. That was freaking good. And these should get nicely done up. Yeah, see, there's more than enough of the... See how they don't look all like bleached and white, or like that. I don't like them to look bleached and white. I like them to look like they've got, like there was enough sauce to get on those too. And I'm gonna add it to the plate like this. Here, let me have a look here. There we go. It's getting dark. Kind of late in the day to be doing this, unfortunately. What did they do? We got the dishwasher fixed, you know, so that was... Dude had to take out the old one, test out a new one, bring in the new one, have it do a test run, and then had to test it here, and now it's in everything. Alright, got this. So I wanted to get some like fresh crab. Didn't really have a lot of luck where I went, so I got some surimi, and this stuff's really tasty. This is just, it's like, it looks kind of like crab stick, but it's definitely better than just straight crab stick, I think. And we'll just garnish it around, I think. Mmm. Okay. I hear Miles out there going, aha. I might have to do this one up again and see if he'll try this one. It's pretty good, Miles. Pretty tasty. And I'm gonna do some spring onion on top. And since it's black pepper crab, I think black sesame seed would probably be the right way to go. And maybe some, I don't know, not like it really needs a whole lot added to it, to be quite honest. Let me look. I gotta have something. I got garlic. Crispy garlic. Got some chili you flake, but I don't know if that might be a totally different dish. Ah, here we go. Crispy onion. I think we're good. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. Prima Taste black pepper crab with surimi and mung bean sprout, crispy onion, scallion, and black sesame seeds. So yeah. Cool. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Prima Taste for shooting this over. I am thoroughly impressed, and yeah, I want to eat this whole thing. I think I might just have to. So, all right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. delicious, says Miles. Have a good one. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.